So here I have to run the program. Enter one to insert, enter two to replace others, enter elementary. So if I enter two, then what happens? A sheet is empty for replacement proper sheet and I fill down. Now I want to enter some value. Now I want to enter value so that he really constructed after that I will do the miraculous count. So insert one can insert to enter values to the inserted the choose 11. So it is printing heap 11, printing heap after insertion of node 11. I mean, okay, now I want to resolve it, so I first and go. I'm replacing it by new node, suppose 78. So printing arrow of projecting not printing to appears one was it is now showing that where before a stage here printing array in what frequency node. And also that is also now it has only one node which is 70. Then I'm going to insert here another one for me, suppose in suppose enter value 11. So it is 78 11. Now I want to ensure no other elements. Suppose it is 2 I enter 1 to effort I enter value 2. So it has been printed nicely. Now again I want to insert so enter something now I'm entering 90. So before before placing 90 properly it was Heap and 90 was placed at the end. Now it is total array converted into array and we give this array after conversion is deleted. Now if we want to delete the root node by some other node, suppose 45. So the option first to replacing is store for delete. Now input more node, suppose 45, that will replace the new node and the remaining it will construct and after that it will be a Z. So first before we just reflect the node 4090 was replaced and after replacement it was not a heap. Then when it is converted to heap then the array will looks like this. So in this way it works. Now I am doing any other thing. The replacement operation has been done properly. Now I am entering NLP. The time and my job run off. I fit.